There was a time when life felt heavy. Every morning felt like a battle. Every night felt like a reminder that dreams were slipping away. He wasn't lazy. He wasn't careless. He wasn't weak. He was just tired. Tired of trying. Tired of hoping. Tired of believing that tomorrow would be better when yesterday never was. He watched the world move forward while he stayed stuck. Friends were winning. Strangers were winning. Even people who once doubted him were now succeeding. And there he was, counting small losses, hiding big pain, and smiling through silent struggles. Every failure whispered the same question: is this all you are meant to be? And slowly, that question became a belief. He stopped dreaming. He stopped expecting. He stopped trying, not because he wanted to, but because trying hurt too much. But deep inside, something still burned. Not hope. Not confidence. Just a tiny spark of unfinished purpose. One quiet night, when the world was asleep, he sat alone, and finally allowed himself to feel everything. The regret. The disappointment. The fear. The wasted time. And in that silence, he understood something powerful. No one was coming to save him. No miracle. No shortcut. No lucky break. Only him. Only his decision. Only his discipline. Only his courage to start again, even when he felt broken. And that's when it happened. Not a loud moment. Not a dramatic change. Just a simple promise. Made in silence. I will rebuild myself, quietly. No announcements. No social media posts. No motivational quotes. Just action. He fixed his sleep. He fixed his routine. He fixed his focus. He woke up early. Not because he felt motivated, but because discipline was now his weapon. Some mornings were painful. Some nights were exhausting. But he kept going. Not for applause. Not for recognition. But for freedom. Slowly. Very slowly. He started becoming someone new. Stronger. Sharper. Focused. While others chased comfort, he chased growth. While others searched for excuses, he searched for solutions. Days became weeks. Weeks became months. And something incredible happened. His mind became calmer. His goals became clearer. His energy became unstoppable. He wasn't rich yet. He wasn't famous. He wasn't winning big. But he was no longer lost. And that changed everything. Because once you find your direction, progress becomes inevitable. Failure stopped breaking him. Criticism stopped shaking him. Doubt stopped controlling him. He learned to move forward, even when afraid. To work, even when tired. To believe, even when results were slow. And one day, without even realizing it, life began to shift. Opportunities appeared. Confidence returned. Momentum built. The same world that once ignored him started noticing him. Not because he demanded attention, but because success makes noise. And his silent work had become unstoppable momentum. But here's the truth. The real victory wasn't money. It wasn't success. It wasn't recognition. The real victory was becoming the person he once needed. Strong. Focused. Unbreakable. And today, he walks differently. Not arrogant. Not loud. Just grounded. Calm. Certain. Because he knows, if he rebuilt himself once, he can do it again. And again. And again. So if you're listening to this right now, feeling stuck, feeling tired, feeling lost, understand this. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are not finished. You are simply in your rebuilding phase. And this phase, though painful, is powerful, because it teaches you discipline. It builds your resilience. It sharpens your focus. One decision can change everything. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. Start messy. Start scared. Start tired. But start. Because 6 months from now, you will thank yourself for not quitting. And one day, your story will inspire someone else who feels exactly like you do right now. Your comeback doesn't need noise. Let it be silent. Let it be disciplined. Let it be unstoppable. Stay tuned. Stay motivated.